so it's kind of acting like raining. I went and got gas for the pickup, and it was $150 US, and it didn't even fill up the pickup. Still about 4 gallons low, which is over 5,000 baht if you convert it to Thai baht. That's how much more expensive it is here in America to live, just getting gas. Yeah, the groceries we bought after we got back, we only bought just a few bags. It was over $100, and we've already had to go back since then to buy other stuff.
And we have to go to the first day in the evening. We went to 3 stores,
Right.
Market. Which market we went there?
We went to Albertsons first, and they didn't have everything, so we went to Ralph's second.
In 1/4
And after
mile,
that,
turn
we
left
went
onto
to
CA
Indian market
210
to
west.
get my Asian stuff.
Yeah, we had to go to the Asian market after for the third stop.
I had what is it called? Roti.
Yeah, roti. Bread.
Roti bread. That's very nice. Can check from Indian store, from Asian store, and I saw this stuff. Luckily close to our house, huh?
Yeah. So I woke up this morning with a little bit of frog in my throat. I'm thinking maybe the coffee will clear it up some, but if not.
Proceed on CA 210 west.
This is Highway 210.
Southern California, east of Los Angeles. Yeah, I don't know if there's any possible way I can put a microphone on this dash cam we use. It's a very nice 4K dash cam that does inside, out front, and also in the back if I choose to use the back camera. But the one downfall to it is if you want to talk to your camera, the microphone is not real good. It picks up all the dash noise and windshield noise, so it doesn't come out real good, not very clear. So I try to clean it up as much as I can when I edit, but this is really pretty much what you get.
Maybe can you talk about the weather in California and in Thailand during you visit Thailand 6 months, and the weather here?
Well, I was basically in Thailand 8 months out of 9 since January, and it was always hot. Every day is hot. Even if it rains, it's just hot and humid. But it got really hot in like March, April, May, June, something like that. It was extremely hot.
Your first experience, huh?
Yeah, my first experience of the extreme summer heat.
Someone said like if you can stand in March and April in Thailand, you cannot stay in Thailand. Huh?
Yeah,
Cannot live in Thailand.
I was okay with Thailand. The heat was okay. I spent a lot of time in Arizona in the upper desert. So the heat's okay. I can deal with it. So the difference is now we left Thailand wearing shorts and thongs and t-shirts, and it was hot and humid, and even though it's still the rainy season, and we got here to California, and they had been having a real heat spell here. Now all of a sudden it's turned to a cool spell. It's 73 degrees right now. Oh no, it's 63. It's 73 in the pickup, sorry. It's 63 degrees outside and overcast. I think it's just fog though. I don't think it's rain. It's just a real wet fog. So this will clear up probably between 9 and 11 o'clock today. But if it keeps drizzling like this, we're not gonna do our walk. We didn't. I'm wearing shorts.
We just go look.
Oh.
Or maybe we have to change plan, go to Rolando Beach.
It'll be drizzly there too.
Huh?
It'll be just same weather there too.
We can when we at Puddingstone, we can change the weather, huh?
Yeah.
Where we can go.
When we got home after we were gone 6 months straight and nobody in our home, and we have a gardener that was taking care of the yard, but inside the house nobody was there, and I was afraid the spiders and bugs and stuff were going to take over. But when we got in the house, it was fine, no problem. And our neighbors are good on all sides of us. They kept a close eye. Our mail, I had it set up for our mail to be delivered to the UPS store where I didn't have to worry about it. But the mailbox, our US mail service sent us a letter wanting us to confirm that we want to continue. Well, obviously we're not going to get the letter. We're not here. So they didn't continue. After 30 days, they canceled sending it to the UPS box. So it was building up on our front porch, and my neighbor started picking it up for us. So the mail, when you're out of country for a long time, mail becomes an issue. So if anybody has a good solution of how I can deal with our mail, please let us know in the comments, because that's a big deal to us, because we're obviously going to be gone a lot. I prefer to find somebody that can do letter opening or throw away all the junk mail and open what they think may be good mail and photocopy it and send it to us in email. That'd be ideal if we could find that. UPS store will not do that. I assume you can see a real obvious difference between the highways here in California and the highways we were driving in Thailand.
In 1/2 mile, turn right onto exit 46.
We're driving a full-size Ford 4-wheel drive pickup here. Much more comfortable. Yeah, on a Sunday morning at 7 a.m. there's virtually no traffic. Easily to get around anywhere. So if you want to travel anywhere around Southern California, do it early Sunday morning.
Yeah. Puddingstone Drive. A lot of trees. Green.
We came here 2 or 3 years ago to do a video, and I wanted to fly my drone, but it's too close to the airport here, so you cannot use a drone. So anybody who wants to see drone footage, if you've got a DJI drone, you can't fly it here. I think this is the turn, huh?
Why to turn left?
In 1/4 mile, turn left onto Puddingstone Drive.
how raging waters is straight ahead.
We didn't go there last time. We just come here.
Yeah.
Maybe we can drive through to. Yeah, right. Or here. If it rains, we cannot. Not rain, we can drive.
You should see the dam very soon on the right-hand side.
In 1/10 of a mile, keep left onto Puddingstone Drive.
Do not enter. So I think the dam is right here. See?
Puddingstone Reservoir is a 250-acre, 1 kilometer artificial lake northeast of the interchange between Orange
Make a U-turn
Freeway
now.
and San Bernardino Freeway.
Okay, this parking lot that I came in right now is if you want to,
In 400 feet, make a U-turn.
if you want to put in a boat or jet skis or something, right here would be where you go. It's the first turn for the booths as soon as you come down Puddingstone. It's the first entrance. But if you want to go to the park where it's exercising, bicycling, etc., it's the next booth up the road.
Turn right now.
I
That's good. Wow, big lake, big reservoir. Very nice. Oh, Bonelli. Bonelli? Bonelli?
do you have my cards?
I think
States and what have you?
Step. Swim beach. Am I right?
Make a
San
U-turn
Bernardino,
now.
that won't work.
His eyes so sharp.
Yeah, so you have to pay $12 a day to come in here for a day pass. And since it's drizzly and nasty, we don't want to walk in
Yeah.
this. So we chose not to pay.
In 300 feet, make a sharp right turn.
So since it was drizzly, rainy, not a nice morning to go out and walk, I'm not dressed for it. We're just gonna go back home. Exercise in our gym at the house.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed seeing the area that we drove. It's a pretty drive. It's all this area around here is pretty. I don't know if it's going to look as nice with the low fog and drizzly weather, but showing it to you anyhow. Hopefully it looks good.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn right onto Cannon Avenue.